Hi there, it's your friend Juan here, and this is a quick demo video of SEO XBusiness, the only tool you need to launch a fully-fledged SEO business in just a few seconds. But before I start, I want to let you know that you can sell this service done by our app on sites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and many more. Also, SEO XBusiness gives you instant PDF reports that you can use for deliver the work to your clients, and also on these reports you can add your own logo, so mean this is perfect for branding. Okay, so let me show you the main features of SEO XBusiness, how it will help your clients and you, and how easy it is to set up a campaigns, and SEO XBusiness do all the hard work for you, and you can instantly generate massive profits with this app. Okay, so the first feature here you have, it's the SEO audit, and this will analyze the SEO of any website. So just put the website URL here, click review, and SEO XBusiness will go there and analyze the SEO for this site. So check what they need to improve, the title tag, meta descriptions, headings, and much more. With one click you can download the report here, and you can give this amazing report for our clients, and this will show them what they need to improve, how they need to improve, how to do it, and all that cool stuff. Okay, the next feature is compare websites, and this will compare the SEO for two sites. Okay, so just put any site URL and the competitor URL, hit analyze, and SEO XBusiness go there and analyze these two websites. Here you can see who get the better SEO and what they need to improve, the errors, what they passed on SEO, and you can see side by side the title tags, meta description, meta keywords, what they need to improve, and all that cool stuff. Okay. The next one, it's a very cool one, the keyword research tool. You click generate keywords, add any keyword you want, like click funnels, for example. Click search, and SEO XBusiness go out there and get the most relevant keywords related to click funnels. Then you click create, and will instantly generate a report with the best keywords ever, so you can quickly give this to your customers and sell keyword research now as a service. Okay, so very easy to do it. SEO action plan, you can create little and powerful SEO action plans so your customers can know exactly what to do in their sites to get better rankings for a desired keyword. Okay, so you put a desired keyword here, like click funnels review, you click generate, and it will instantly generate a SEO action plan for them, and also will give tags for them if they use WordPress. You know, WordPress, you have tags, so you can quickly give tags to the using their WordPress site, WordPress posts. And also you can edit anything you want, like if you want to edit the title here, you can do it, but this report is very good, and it's done for you. Then you hit create, and will instantly generate the report for you. So with the SEO action plan for they rank to the desired keyword. Okay, so very easy, title, meta description, I'll optimize it for them. The next one, it's on-page optimization. This will create any on-page SEO optimization for any keyword you want. Just click create one-page optimization, add a main keyword like click funnels review, add a site URL like bigreviews.com, and click create to instantly have an on-page optimization done for you. Then quickly download the report, see the title you need to use, the description, the content, the other factors you need to rank for this keyword, and done for you on-page optimization. Then the next one is video optimization. I don't want you to only rank websites, but rank videos as well. And now you can optimize any YouTube video for your clients or for yourself by just going to create video optimization, add the main keyword, click create, and this will instantly give you a video optimization with the title, description, which tags to use to get traffic from related videos, and you can click add here, hit create, and boom, you instantly have a video optimization done for you. Then you have site backlinks. You can create backlinks, high quality, premier backlinks from .com websites and blogs that will rank your clients and your websites better, okay? So just go create backlink, add a domain name, a keyword, select how many backlinks you want to create, and hit create. Then the SEO XBusiness will create the backlinks for you in a few minutes, and you can instantly get a report of the site backlinks as well. Okay, so now you can check the report and see all the backlinks SEO XBusiness created for you. Then you have video backlinks. Create backlinks to any YouTube video you want. Just create backlinks, add the video ID, the main keyword, choose how many backlinks you want to create, and hit create. Boom. SEO XBusiness go out there and create backlinks to any YouTube video. And also you can download a report as well. Okay. Then you have social signals. Quickly create social signals to any site or client site. Social signals, it's very important to generate instant traffic, but it's a very known method to get better SEO rankings. So go create social signals, add a title, URL, click generate, and instantly share your links into multiple social media websites. Okay. Then you have branding, where you can add your own logo for the reports, and this will instantly add your own logo to all the reports you have with the SEO XBusiness. Also, you have a full training on how to use the app, plus a 30-day gaming plan where we're gonna show you how to make your first sale with this. And third, a WordPress theme is included for you, meaning you can launch your SEO agency site. Okay, so it's awesome. So also you have no restrictions with SEO XBusiness. You can create unlimited campaigns, unlimited reports, do unlimited services, and all you need to do is get massive profits. Okay, the commercial license is included, meaning you can sell these services on sites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and many more, and charge any price you want and profit right away with the work done by our app. So thank you so much for watching this video. Get your copy right now, and we see you in the other side.